Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove your profile picture in Instagram. So if you want to delete your profile picture from Instagram, then it is actually quite simple. So if you have been trying to remove it, you might be trying to click on this photo and it will be giving you the gallery option and you have no idea how to remove this. So in particular, what you got to do is that you, instead of just tapping onto this profile picture, you need to hold it for at least a second or two. So if you will hold it, you can see that these options pop up, and one such option here at the last is remove current picture. So all you got to do is click on this remove current picture button, and here you can see that the profile picture is being removed, and here it is removed successfully. You may try to refresh your Instagram page, and here you can see that the changes have been successfully made. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.